What's up, guys? I am back for another quick video. It's not exactly a how-to per se. I don't feel like going through all of that. So today I'm going to be installing some new speakers on the Wagon, and something I've been wanting to do for a long time. Finally decided to just bite the bullet and do it. This is the kit I got from BavSound. These are the two front subs for the door. I also got the mid-ranges, front and rear, and then of course the tweeters up front as well. So this is a plug-and-play kit for the Harman Kardon system. So if you've got that, this is kind of what the rundown is. Simple from what I remember, because I've replaced all the regulators in all four doors, so I know how to take these off pretty easy. They just pop off or whatever, you know, and then you got your T20s everywhere basically. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop all the door panels off and then show you guys how to get the speakers out of the door panels and everything. And then reason why I'm doing this right now during my lunch hour is because the mid-ranges need to be glued into the housings. So gonna let that dry pretty much all day while I work, and then reinstall later. So let me go ahead and put the camera down, get to removing the door panels, and then I'll be back. Alright, so forgot to show you guys the before. So I do have a sub, so it's, you know, obviously gonna sound a little bit different than what you've got, but hopefully that's good enough to show you guys a before and after. I'm excited, man. So, be back. Alright, so I was just going to show you guys when it's done, but I might as well just show you now. The rear door speakers, the mid-range, you just unscrew them. You don't even have to take this off if you don't want to, but it pops out. This one popped out. Just so I don't lose it, I pop it out. And then I'm going to throw this into the back seat so that it stays out of my way. Okay, so that one's easy. Now the front one, same thing. Unscrew. This one you do have to get out because this one you have to get this out of here, and all it is these clips. You see, two clips. This will pop out. This one, we gotta break this glue. There is glue holding this into this little circle. So I'm gonna break that out, and then I'll show you guys how I glue them in. These are just straight little Phillips, quick and easy to replace those. For these, like, they have the same mounting points and everything. This is plug and play to the car, and then for the mid-range and tweeters, you use the harness. So let me get all this set up, and then I'll be right back. All right, so lunch hour is pretty much almost up here. I got the woofers installed. If you've got this, make sure you reuse it. I decided I didn't have it, so I gotta find one online. BavSound does recommend that you deaden this, soundproof it a little bit, just to avoid the resonance, but we don't care that much around here. So here's the fronts. They just kind of snap in there. There's a little guide right here that it slides into, and then you're supposed to use E6000 that it comes with, just to kind of make it stick for a while. Same with the rears. The little ring comes off, so this is the little ring right here, and you just glue the new one on. And yeah, E6000 is really weird to use. It's like stringy, but whatever. That's in. I'm gonna let those dry, put them back in the door cards, and then the most annoying part, in my opinion, is the tweeters. So there are a couple little pins on the side of this plastic piece right here, and this comes off. Because I have these mirrors, I don't have the original mounting points for the bracket for the Harman Kardon tweeter. So I'm gonna have to figure something out, because I currently have the Harman Kardon tweeter just sitting there. It sits in the spot and everything, but I gotta clean it up and make sure it looks nice and good. So I'll be back after work. All right, so the tweeter install was not as bad as I thought. So it comes with these nice little brackets. One obviously says tweeter, one says vehicle. I had to cut the bottom because, again, like I said, I'm not using the stock bolt. So I just undid it a little bit and then kind of slid it in. This thing kind of still goes on in here. I had it and then I took it out. And then it just goes over. So let me dangle this down. This slides back into here, which kind of is proving to be a pain in the ass. But yeah, that goes in there. Let me get this back on, and then I'll show you guys pretty much everything installed. So nice and easy. All right, another quick side note while installing these. Put the jumper harness in here, and then these, they're kind of just like little pins that just pop in. So for some added protection, I went ahead and just electrical taped it so that it stays in there. They slide in nice and they fit pretty good. That's just, like I said, an extra measure. So that side's already done. Putting this in, and then I just gotta put the two rear mid-ranges in, and should be good to go. So be right back. Well, definitely a lot clearer audio, and the bass hits a lot more than the HK does. So, worth the upgrade? Yeah, actually. Stage 1 kit's only $450, I think, and I think it's worth it, dude. I'm surprised. All plug and play, like I said. The only thing that has like its own little additional like capacitor to it is the fucking tweeters. But other than that, you know, it all just uses the stock subwoofer stuff from the HK, and I like it, man. So if you guys are looking for an upgrade for your BMW, BavSound, hit them up. Make sure you buy a bunch of these too. I've had these for years and I just keep throwing them in whenever I remove the door card. So you know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content. I'll see you guys next time.
When we slide, we stay tapping on doors. Ride on triple chrome, glide on them votes. Flip on a nigga around, baby, you in a row. Playing with these drums, cause I got them sticks. Trunk bumping in the street, screwed up with my clip. Let them see how out they gone, out the blicks. Pray to God.